Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are standing with the 2025 Toyota Prius. Now this new Toyota is back in hybrid only again this year, and it is bringing bold design and advanced technology to the table. Plus, you're gonna get absolutely amazing fuel efficiency. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell to get our latest Prius news and updates. What should you consider before your test drive? 2025 Prius comes in 8 different trims, but there is also a Prius plug-in hybrid, which gives you 3 additional trims. So in total, and 2025 Prius has a starting MSRP of $28,350. If you're too excited to wait to get behind the wheel, we get it. That's why we have helpful links below in our description. You can start your shopping process right now. Let's check out the exterior. So as you can see, 2025 Prius exterior is not that different from the previous model year. You're gonna get alloy wheels that come in multiple designs, colors, and sizes. You've got these unique LED headlights. You're also gonna get LED daytime running lights and automatic high beams, plus this sleek front grille. This year's Prius also comes in 7 different paint colors, including a brand new hue called Karashi that we love. It looks so good, especially on the Nightshade edition. That's right, Nightshade edition is back again for 2025. So this special edition comes with black badging all over the exterior and interior. You're also gonna get 19-inch alloy wheels with a unique black finish, as well as cool carbon fiber accents on the interior dash. If you want more options than that, don't forget about the Prius plug-in hybrid. And it runs on gas, but gets up to 44 miles of electric driving range. You've seen the exterior. Let's take a walk over here and check out the cabin so we can see what's new for 2025. When you climb in the driver's seat of the 2025 Prius, you notice that it is all about comfort and convenience this year. You can seat up to 5 with no problem. You've got plenty of space, and you'll be able to choose between fabric and soft tech seats. You're also gonna have smart key system, which gives you easy access into your ride at all times, as well as a 7-inch multi-information display. So right now we're in the Prius plug-in hybrid, and we have heated front seats, which is awesome. You're also going to have the option of heated and ventilated front seats in some models, which is perfect for summer, as well as heated rear seats, which is a nice touch. Some models also give you the option of a digital rear view mirror. Up here, we have a fixed glass roof in the front and back. It's a really nice stylistic touch, but it also lets tons of sunlight in. And in the rear, the back seats actually split 60/40 and fold flat to give you more cargo space when you need it. And I love this. You have actual lighting in the dash that kind of accents the red within the car. Now, when it comes to cargo space, you're gonna have up to 23.8 cubic feet of space back here, so plenty of room. You've also got this cover to keep things private if you wanna leave things in your car. You've seen the exterior, you've seen the interior. Now let's take it for a drive to see how it performs. Now, the Prius and the plug-in Prius are both hybrids, so it is very quiet inside the cabin. Honestly, if you didn't know any better, you would think that the car wasn't even on. So it's really quiet in here. It's nice and calm to drive. You've got smooth acceleration. You've also got smooth braking. It's definitely responsive when it comes to steering and braking and maneuvering, but it's not touchy like some cars are. So it's very pleasant to drive. You're going to get great fuel efficiency. Honestly, this is like the perfect car for commuting. If you need a nice calm ride to work every day, I would absolutely drive it. Let's chat about performance. So we know that the 2025 Prius is designed to maximize your fuel efficiency and get you great MPGs. Traditional Prius hybrid gets up to 57 miles per gallon combined, which is amazing. Prius plug-in hybrid gets up to 52 miles per gallon combined. You're also going to have the option of all-wheel drive to give you better traction and handling, especially on wet roads. And if you want to take a peek under the hood, you've got a 2-liter 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain that, again, it's going to get you the best fuel efficiency possible and help you save a ton of money on gas. Follow me, we're going to hop back inside the cabin to talk about safety and technology in the new Prius. Now, the Prius is a staple in the Toyota lineup. It has been for decades because it's literally the hybrid that started it all. So you know you're going to get the best when it comes to safety technology in this hybrid. You're going to have Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, which gives you features like proactive driving assist and lane tracing assist. You're also going to have the latch system in the back seat, which makes it very easy to buckle in car seats and booster seats. You're going to have Toyota Star safety system and 8 airbags throughout the cabin. Some models of the 2025 Prius offer a panoramic view monitor, which gives you a 360-degree overhead view of everything that's around your car. So we have a 12.3-inch Toyota audio multimedia system. You're going to have wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Sirius XM. And in some models, you can also upgrade to an 8-speaker JBL premium audio system. On top of that, we have convenient Qi wireless charging right here, as well as USB-C ports throughout the cabin. Now you know everything there is to know about the new 2025 Prius, so which model are you taking home? Drop your pick in the comments below. But if you're ready to start your shopping process, don't forget we have a handy online shopper tool. You can start building your custom deals, see how much your current car is worth, and more. You can also stop by for your test drive. Toyota of Orlando is conveniently located at 3575 Vineland Road, just off I-4 across from the mall at Millennia, or call us at 407-298-4500.